My name is Nokwanda M, and if you're a return subscriber, hi. In today's video, I am going to be doing a birthday gift haul, and yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And why am I using this? I am going to be doing a birthday gift haul. This is all the gifts I bought for myself on my birthday, and I also titled this a get to know me type of video, because with the gifts that I've put for myself, you get to know more about me and the person that I am. And this is sort of like an interesting get to know me tag, because I did one about 3 or 4 years ago, which was my first video, but this is like a newly updated one because I've recently started filming again. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you all the things that I bought for myself. My birthday is on the 10th of August and I'll be turning 19. I don't know when I'll be posting this. If it's after my birthday, I've turned 19. If it's before my birthday, I'll be turning 19. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, so that's good. So let's get straight to it. So let's just talk about the first product. So the first product I bought is this mug. I bought them at, I don't know if you can see them. This mug, it's a little bit dirty. Sorry, it's because of the dishwasher. So don't ask me how. It's written, we can always count on tea. I feel like this mug's located for left-handed people only, because right now I'm drinking coffee from the same mug. This came in a pack of two mugs for the price of, I don't know, almost 30 rand. I think it was a special at Pick and Pay. If I can, I'll link the product in the description below. But yeah, these are the mugs, and I love mugs. Last year for my birthday, I bought similar mugs. Let me show you. Okay, I bought some. Let's talk about the product. I bought this mug. It traded on Instagram. This is the latest mug. It's been sitting in the cupboard for a very long time. This mug. These are the I don't know what people call them. I forgot. But yeah, this type of mugs, Instagram type of mugs, and I bought them for my birthday last year, and I bought them at Checkers. They were a lot expensive than these ones, and yeah, I buy a lot of mugs because I really love coffee. But I don't love coffee like I'm a coffee addict or like coffee is my life. No, I just like coffee, and I also like tea, and I like looking at my coffee or my tea, not like looking at it, but it looks nicer when I go to drink it from a transparent or glass cup. So yeah, this is my first product. So one fact about me, I love coffee. I love hot beverages, except for cappuccinos. I don't like cappuccino, and I really love hot chocolate. So we are going to talk about my second product. I am folding my legs, and I don't know how to fold my legs. I've put a pillow under my butt, but now my feet, my legs, because I'm not used to this. So let's talk about the second product, and I think you'll see a trend. I almost buy the same things every year. This year I just added 2 more things, which are probably my favorite things out of everything that I bought. But the second product I bought is a bag. Let me fix it so that it can fit into the frame. I bought this bag. It is a Mr. Price bag. It is brown, beige, fawnish type of color, and I only bought it because of this right here. I'm getting older. I'm 19. I need to have a wallet or a purse. But the thing is, the only cards I have is my ID card and my bank card. That's the only thing I put inside my purse. But I just like bought it because Dimdala, I'm growing. Even though I do not to grow, but I am growing, and I have to look like I am grown, and I know what I'm doing in life, even though I don't know 90% of the time. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have to look like I know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a Mr. Price bag. I'll put a link, if I find it online, I'll put the link in the description below. And then let me show you the bag I bought last year. This is the bag I bought last year. I pretty much buy the same things I told you every year. This is the bag I bought last year. I really like small bags, but this one is like, I don't know how to explain. I like small bags, but I don't like small bags that can fit my phone, because they're not just the purpose of the bags. Phones are really heavy, and we live in South Africa. You can't carry your phone by hand. It gets stolen. So I need small bags. So I really like these are like my running errands bags because I can't carry this to church, and the only place I normally go to is church and the mall. And I can't carry this to church because my Bibles are big and I like diaries and my diary can't fit in here. So I like this bag because it's black and gold, it's classy, but I'm more into like the silver. What is this? The silver aesthetic now. So yeah, and I bought this bag because of this, because it looks like, do you know those, it's like crossbody bags, but they look like fanny packs, and they have like it would be like a bag and then a small pocket, but like it's a combo. I'll put a picture when I find it. I wanted to buy those bags and I found one, but that bag could not fit my phone, and I will not buy something that will not fit my phone. So yeah, this is the bag I bought and I really like it. I like the silver detail, I like the small purse, and I like the fact that it's really short. I don't like crossbody bags that hang by your hips when it's like fully extended. I don't like that because you can't walk. This is the second item I bought, and it's like the second collection now. You guys know about me. I really love bags, but I don't buy a lot of bags because I don't go anywhere most of the time. I'm a homebody and I'm always at home. If I'm not at home, I'm at church. If I'm not at church, I'm at the mall, and the same mall every time. So yeah, I don't buy a lot of bags, but I really do love bags because I am TV Comedy 7. What I mean now. So yeah, love this bag. So guys, the third item is I bought the same. You see me, I buy the same things all the time. So I bought this book. This is the third item, and I'm going. What do I want to say? Yeah, I bought this item. What's this? It's called Nothing to Prove: Why We Can Stop Trying So Hard by Jennie. And I really love this book, and I'm trying to minimize the time on my phone. So the real reason why I bought this book is that I want to minimize the time I spend on my phone, because I know it's going to sound far-fetched, but I really heard the Holy Spirit say to me that I really spent way too much time on my phone for someone who's questioning God, and I felt that conviction, and I'm really trying to remove myself from, or spend less time on my phone and remove myself from my phone. So the only way I can do that is by this reading. Second fact about me, I love reading, but I don't read books, but I love reading. Yeah, but I think this fact ties into the second one, not the second one, but the next one. This video is all over the place, but that's me. I am all over the place. So yeah, guys, let's talk about how many products now? The fourth product, the fourth gift I bought. So this is the fourth gift, and I really decided that as I'm growing older, I want to invest more into my spiritual life and into my passions, because that's the only things I'm focusing on right now, because I'm taking a gap year, and I really love cooking, and I want to invest more into my spiritual life. So the last two products are about those two things: my spiritual life and my passions. And I'm not saying I'm not passionate about God, but because I'm also passionate about that, but it's like I have to separate them. But yeah, the fourth product that I'm going to show you is something I've always wanted. I wanted to buy it last year, but I was broke last year. I'm still broke now. This is the fourth thing that I bought. It's really heavy. This is a journaling Bible. I bought it at Comebooks. It's the Promises of God journaling Bible. It's a creative journaling Bible. I really love this Bible. It's in the modern English version. I really love this Bible. It's so cute inside, and I love the fact that it's so you see the space in the book. I don't like if your Bible ends up here. And guys, me, I wear glasses. Just because I don't wear glasses when I'm filming, it's because the reason I don't wear glasses is because the ring light shows on my glasses, but I wear glasses and I can't see, and I don't want to squint when I read the Bible all the time. So having a Bible that is wide and this big, I really love this Bible. and like it makes reading the Bible exciting. Like the thing, you see this one here, this. But you know what the funny thing is? I'm like, I wanna read a Bible I can decorate and spend more time in the Bible. But I'm so afraid of writing in this Bible. I have highlighted everything, but I'm so afraid of using them on this Bible because my problem is that I'll write notes here, ne? But then I'm like, in 2 weeks' time, I shouldn't have written that. So I don't know. But yeah, I really, really like this Bible. Fact number 4 is that I am saved. I love the Lord. I am a Christian. Yeah. And I am just a young child trying to live for the Lord in the years of youth. So many things. Yeah, I'm just a child of the Lord trying to live for the Lord in the years of her youth. Yeah, I really love the Lord. Yeah, that's fact number 4. I am Christian. So yes, let's move into the last product, the last 2 products. Yeah, so okay, so the last 2 products, I've actually grouped them into like one thing. I don't know, like I keep on saying products like I'm saying these things. Guys, I'm not saying these things, but I'm gonna say products. So the last 2 products that I have, like I said, the first number 4, I am really trying, like in the year 19, trying to invest into my spiritual life and into my passions. So this one is more about the passions and the things that I like to do, and they can in this product, and it is a hand mixer. And the only reason why I have this product is because I lost this gift and I can't return it, so I might as well just use it because I bought the same. If you can guess what the other one is, which would make me return this one, post the video and say in the comment section below what you think the other product is. But I bought a hand mixer, and yeah, I have to tell you, okay, I really, really love to cook. Cooking and baking are like my passions. Those are the things I love to do the most. Like, I love God, then I love cooking and baking. Yeah. Okay, I love God. Let me fix that before I love God, I love my family, and I love cooking and baking. Product that costs more than anything I own. I'm joking. It is a mixer. Let me show you. It's so heavy. I can't see the camera, but I hope that you can see. It is a mixer. I bought a mixer, and the reason why I bought this specific one is because it's cute and it's like pretty. I feel like if your budget is cute and small, the thing you buy has to match the budget. And my budget was cute and small. And this one's like cute and small and petite. It's like tiny. And they're like tiny things. And they're cute. And all of them, like, oh, it's like my mugs. My mugs, tiny, but they're cute. It's like, oh. But no, honestly, the reason why I bought this one, it's because it was the cheapest mixer. Not like the cheapest one. The cheapest proper mixer at game, because the other mixers, I don't like the other mixers. My mom had the other mixers, and then it's those mixers that look like this. The top is like a hand mixer, but it's attached to like a bowl at the bottom, and you can remove the top. I don't like those ones because they break easily, and you can't make a lot of things with those mixers. And yeah, that's the reason why I bought this mixer, and it's the reason why I'll be broke for the rest of the year, unless someone wants to get me with money. But yeah, this is a mixer I bought, and I'll be unboxing it. For those who love to cook and love being in the kitchen, I'll be unboxing this mixer on the new channel. You can go there and I'll be unboxing that. I don't know, I can't speak today, but I'll be unboxing this mixer on the other channel. But yeah, my 2 most favorite things I bought is this mixer and this Bible. The third one is this bag. These are my top 3. The Bible, the mixer, and the bag. So now you know the top 3 things about me. I love baking, I love the Lord, and I love bags. Those are the top 3 things. Guys, we have now reached the end of the video, and thank you guys for watching my video. It will really mean a lot to me if you would subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like the video, and in the comment section below leave what you're passionate about. And if you're way older than me, in like your mid-20s, late 20s, give a little piece of advice to people my age or younger what they should do before they are pre-adult years, because I personally think I'll start being an adult when I'm 21. Yeah, I'm still a child, I'm still a little mwana, and I want to behave like a mwana. But yeah, what would you advise people my age or younger, or early 20s, if you're in your mid-20s, what would you advise them to do? What's like your piece of knowledge, little piece of knowledge that you have for people my age? And yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I love you loads, and yeah, please check out all of the links. Please check out all of the links that I've left in the description below. You'll see a little message from me. Everyone, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye. And the last item I'll show you, that's also the other thing I can also do. But the thing is that one needs electricity, and electricity in South Africa, first of all, we have load shedding. If it's not load shedding, electricity is expensive, so I can't do that all the time. So I really have to find books. And the reason I bought this book, as you can see, it's on markdown. There were only 2 books left in the store. I bought it at Cool Books in Alberton City. The only reason why I bought this one because it was cheap. I had 3 books on my wish list, but I don't understand why. The reason why people don't read, like, what do I say, physical books, it's because these things are expensive. There is no way. The following product I'm going to show you, I bought that, and I had 3 books on my cart at Cool Books, and the price was 1.3. I was like, no, there's no way. There is no way I am going to buy things and books that cost 1.3. To me, no way. I'm not going to do that. So because the other products that I'm going to show you right now, which is a Bible, cost way more, I was like, okay, the Bible is expensive, so let me buy the book. The next month I'll buy the other books. But you cannot buy too many books at the same time. I mean, I don't have a job, so I can't buy expensive things. So yeah,